Hello and welcome to Financial Kickstart. In today's video, we'll be discussing budgeting tips for beginners. Budgeting is a crucial step towards achieving financial success, and it's never too late to start. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to create a budget that works for you. Let's dive in. Why budgeting matters. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why budgeting matters. Budgeting helps you gain control over your finances, reduces financial stress, and allows you to achieve your financial goals. It acts as a roadmap, guiding your spending and ensuring that your money is allocated wisely. Assessing your financial situation. The first step in budgeting is assessing your current financial situation. Gather information about your income, expenses, debts, and savings. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and help you make informed decisions. Setting financial goals. Now, let's talk about setting financial goals. Having clear goals allows you to align your budget with your aspirations. Think about short-term goals like creating an emergency fund or paying off debt, as well as long-term goals such as saving for retirement or a down payment on a home. Creating a budget. Creating a budget is easier than you might think. Here's a step-by-step process. Start with your income. Calculate your total monthly income. List your expenses. Categorize expenses into fixed and variable. Allocate your income. Assign a portion to each expense category. Adjust and prioritize. Ensure your expenses align with your financial goals. Track and review. Regularly monitor and adjust your budget as needed. Managing expenses. Managing expenses is a key part of budgeting. Here are some tips. Differentiate between needs and wants. Prioritize essential expenses. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending. Seek opportunities to save. Look for ways to save on utilities, groceries, and entertainment without sacrificing quality. Building an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is crucial for financial stability. Set aside a portion of your budget towards creating an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to prepare for unexpected financial setbacks. Tracking and adjusting. Tracking your expenses and staying accountable to your budget is vital. Use apps, spreadsheets, or budgeting journals to track your spending. Regularly review your budget, make adjustments, and stay committed to your financial goals. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge to kickstart your budgeting journey. Remember, budgeting is a powerful tool that puts you in control of your finances. Start today, create your budget, and take steps towards achieving your financial dreams. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and guidance. Thanks for watching Financial Kickstart, and I'll see you in the next video.